Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable gift sound in live on Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the video icon with pink background. Click on the settings icon in the right hand side of the screen. And here you can see the gift and music icon together just beside the mic icon. Tap on it. So that is how you can disable gift sound in live on Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.